So tell me, ever change your Netflix password and suddenly half your friends stop calling you? Well, in UAE corporate tax law, something similar happens with the tax losses. If your company changes ownership, suddenly those every losses you carry forward under Article 37 might stop working. Article 39 is basically the Netflix password rule for tax losses. Let us break it down. So quick recap, Article 37 says lets you carry forward your own losses, and Article 38 says lets you share your losses with your sister companies. Now Article 39 comes in like the strict parent. If you change your owners, do not expect us to let you keep all those losses. And trust me, you do not want to mess with this one. Here is the deal. If more than 50% of a company ownership changes, the right to carry forward old tax losses is at risk. Why? Because otherwise investors could buy loss-making companies just to use their past losses and reduce future tax. It is like adopting someone else's debt and calling it a tax saving strategy. Yeah, the FTA is smarter than that. But Article 39 is not heartless. It gives you some exceptions. Yes, you can still use old losses after an ownership change if same or similar business continues. Example, you run a bakery chain, investors buy 60% of your company, but you are still baking bread. No problem, your tax losses still alive. Keep baking breads and your losses are safe. Switch to Bitcoin mining and your breads do not count anymore. Next comes ownership change due to inheritance. You pass your company to your kids. The tax losses also passes on. Death and taxes may be certain, but at least inheritance would not kill your losses. Totally different activities are not allowed. Example, you run a travel agency, new owners turn it into a car repairing shop. The old travel losses are gone. Air tickets would not fix your car engines, so they would not fix your taxes either. Think of tax losses like a loyalty points. As long as you keep shopping at the same store, you can use them. But if you suddenly show up at a completely different shop, like flashing your Starbucks point at a car dealership, they will laugh you out the door. That is Article 39 in action. Now, why does FTA care so much? Because without this rule, tax losses would turn into a shady black market commodity. Imagine business brokers advertising for sale. Company with 10 million dirhams in tax losses, barely used. That would break the system. So Article 39 makes sure tax losses stay tied to the genuine business continuity, not clever tax shopping. So here is a cheat sheet for business owners. Ownership change less than 50%, you are fine. More than 50%, say goodbye to your old losses then. You keep running the same or the similar business, or the transfer is by the inheritance. Otherwise, those losses vanish faster than free shawarma at a Dubai food truck. So now here is a quick recap. Article 37 says keep your losses for next years. Article 38 says share your losses with your sister concern. Article 39 says change owners and you might lose your losses unless you keep the business running as usual. So moral of the story, do not buy companies for their losses, buy them for their potential. Otherwise, your genius tax hack could vanish in one snap. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, share it with your entrepreneur friends, and subscribe for more tax wisdom.